Yeah. All right. So before I get into asking all the questions, I want to ask you something right now because this is really trending at this exact moment.
Okay.
Federal government is talking about taxing unrealized gains. What do you think is going to happen if they pull that off? Which I think is a near impossibility. I don't think it's constitutional. But let's say they did. We're going to have more than a few
We
distressed
we
landlords.
we have a lot of things in the works that can be very interesting for our business.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We really are probably looking at an oil shortage. We could be looking at $6 a gallon gas, right?
Mm-hmm.
We are probably for sure going to see an increase in interest rates, which are going to mean less people are going to get a mortgage.
Mm-hmm. Which is
Right.
going to be less demand.
Exactly. So there are some things on the horizon that I think are a big factor, and this unrealized gain, it's kind of like um, I kind of agree with you. I think the odds are not necessarily high, but I think a lot of people act on fear, and I think that the positioning of the tax strategy and take your capital gains and take it over time, I think that fits a very high demographic in the market,
Mm-hmm.
and once again, it makes it a lot easier to negotiate because it's the IRS that says you have to seller finance, not me.
Right.
Right? In other words, I can defer the part that they of course everybody love to have their cake and eat it too.
Mm-hmm.
Just give me the cash today and I'll pay the taxes tomorrow.
Right.
Well, that's not how it works.
Well, but if they move forward with this taxing unrealized gains, then this 10 years or 20 years is going to go away though, isn't it?
No, no, because it's not unrealized gains. They opted into a deferment of capital gains and accepting the money. The unrealized
So
gains,
it's going to be a bigger advantage.
huge advantage. The unrealized gains is where you reappraise the property and say the property went up 50,000 in value, and you got to pay tax on 50,000 just because your house went up in value.
Mm-hmm.
And think about what could happen in the stock market.
Hey, it's going to crush the stock market.